ready to get paid faster and easier by integrating payments directly into your Docusign agreements. First, log into your Docusign account and click the New button located on the left-hand side of the screen. Select Sign a document to start a new envelope. Now, upload the document you want signed and paid for. This could be a contract, invoice, or any document requiring both a signature and payment. Drag and drop your file or click Upload and select the document from your computer. Next, add your recipient. Enter their name and email address in the Add Recipient field. This is who will be signing the document and making the payment. Now, drag and drop the necessary fields onto your document, just like you normally would. Importantly, find the payment request field in the left-hand menu and drag it to the location where you want the payment information to be displayed. Also, drag a signature field to the appropriate place. Click on the payment request field you just placed in the Properties panel. You can set the currency and the total amount to make sure these details are accurate. Once you've placed all the necessary fields, including the signature and payment request, click the Send button in the top right corner. Your recipient will receive an email with a link to the document. They can review the document, sign it, and then click the Pay Now button to securely submit their payment. Once the payment is processed, both you and the signer will receive a confirmation you've successfully collected a payment with Docusign. Now you can start monetizing your documents faster than ever.